Lotus launches new sub-4-second Evora GT410 Sport. Lotus came out with a new GT410 Sport model that officially replaces the older Evora Sport 410, while also drawing from the GT430 to provide drivers with advanced aerodynamics and a sleeker silhouette like Lotus GT430. The GT410 Sport comes with new composite front and rear body panels, and while it doesn't have any of the high downforce elements of its track-focused sibling, it still generates 50% more downforce than its predecessor. Powering the Evora GT410 Sport is a supercharged 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine, producing 416 picoseconds, 410 horsepower, and 420 newton-meters, 309 pounds-ft, of torque from 3,500 RPMs. It also has a dry weight of just 1,256 kilograms, 2,769 pounds. The result of this is a 0 to 60 mph, 96 kilometers per hour, acceleration time of just 3.9 seconds for the automatic version, and 4 seconds flat for the manual. We are continually exploring new ideals, innovating and evolving our cars in pursuit of perfection. The new Evora GT410 Sport takes the lessons learned from the development of the GT430 to deliver something outstanding and highly capable, stated Lotus CEO Jean-Marc Ayles. The GT410 Sport also has a power-to-weight ratio of 326 horsepower per ton and a top speed of 305 km per hour, 190 mph. Grip comes courtesy of Michelin Pilot Sport 2 Cuban Pesos tires, while the ultra-light, low-side load springs and Bilstein sports dampers are all fitted as standard. Lotus will also give you a touring suspension package as a free optional extra, featuring non-adjustable dampers and Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Customers from European and Asia-Pacific markets can already place their orders for the new Evora GT410 Sport, while those living in the US and China will have to wait until the summer, whereas UK buyers will spend upwards of £85,900 for it. Those living in either Germany, France or Italy will have to fork over £110,900, £111,900 and £116,000 to Lotus respectively.